We're back. I got to do all this quick because market opens in 2 minutes. Quick recap of yesterday. We won $484 off of a beautiful short. Right now, I have a kind of neutral bias. If we come up at 9 a.m. or 9:30 and hit this 15-minute gap, I will take shorts towards all this liquidity, which we're just dumping through right now. If we manipulate lower into this 1 hour gap below, clearing out all this length of liquidity, I will take longs towards this 15-minute gap or this buy side liquidity or previous day high. Pretty quick bias. If you go to the 4 hour, we have this change in state right here. So order flow has shown that it's flipping. On the 1 hour, we are disrespecting bearish gaps, respecting bullish gaps. Same thing with ES. 1 minute till the market opens, so I got to do this quickly. But again, change in state. Go to the 1 hour. We are disrespecting bullish, respecting bearish. The only thing is we are SMTing these highs. So I am leaning a little bit more bearish. I don't know. Could look decent. We just started dumping randomly, literally the last minute and a half. But yeah, if we can come up, clear out these 5-minute highs. But right now we're literally just dumping. I don't even know why. But market does open in 20 seconds. Today is FOMC. So I say this every day that I'm going to play it cautious, but today I legitimately need to play it cautious. We are hitting this 15-minute gap, but this gap did get inversed on yes already. And market is opening now. So let's see what happens here. Again, if we hit this 1 hour gap, I will take a long. NQ is in this 15-minute. I would like ES in this 15-minute. Just like ES didn't really manipulate. ES is just dumping. Also, what is this 15-minute protecting? These slanted highs. I don't know, I'd prefer ES in this 15-minute. Patience is key. Patience. You must have patience, Danielson. If I could buy you a diamond. What do we got? We got a 1 minute. Fair value gap. I do like that 1 minute close though. I like that 1 minute close, man. So we wick that. ES is just like, nah, dog, we going lower. Which is like cool. I fuck with that. But why are you going lower and you're going higher? You don't gotta do that. We could just say, yo, let me manipulate. What is this? What are we doing? It's just so awkward. Why is ES going down and Q's going up? Can we just do the same thing, man? You know? Hopefully this just means ES still wants to manipulate, maybe? Couldn't tell you. You know, this is the beauty of trading, is you don't know what's going to happen, and all you can do is react. It's literally all you can do, brother. So we retrace a little bit deeper, sweeping out this 5-minute high. This 2 minutes going to form. It's an awkward trade, and do I want to put risk on the table? What would my draw be if I take this short? It's going to be this 1 hour gap, right? So what would happen if I fade it? I fade it, and let's say best case scenario or worst case scenario if I fade it, but like what would happen or what could happen is it plays out, hits the 1 hour gap, and now I can take a long off said 1 hour gap. I don't know. If we want to push higher, sweep all this out, ES hits this 15-minute, I would like the short. It's so obvious we're like going to this 1 hour gap. We're going to go to this 1 hour gap. It's going to happen. The age-old question, do you take it still? Well, you know, fuck my RR. All right, well, not taking that trade. It's going to play. This would have been a trade. Technically, it is still valid because it didn't take the full swing, but it's a fucking 82-point stop loss. And let's say you did like this 1 minute body. I don't know. You literally would have to 1 minute body and then just hold for a 1-to-1. You're already break even because ES hit the 1 hour. Couldn't tell you. It's kind of awkward. I'm fading it. We're just so uncorrelated. I'm hoping we just develop some structure and I can maybe get a long off this 1 hour. Just weird. Just very, it's always hard on these days when both pairs do opposite things. So again, I'm not in this trade. Just seeing if it were to play out. And technically you would be break even because ES already hit the 1 hour gap. So I don't know, it's just something that it's just awkward to me. And I don't want to force a trade. It's FOMC later today, and I put risk on the table for something you're not 100% certain in. You would have gone break even on this trade, but now what are we looking at? We're looking at, if we go to the 15-minute, look at that 15-minute candle, dude. What are we doing? manipulate lower, hit this unmitigated 15, ES at the 1 hour. Another thing I had pointed out as well is this 1 hour gap on ES is equilibrium, or roughly. Rebalances to equilibrium, which we're technically currently respecting. We're developing a little bit of structure. 945 pushes lower. We are technically below 930 price. Bruh, hold on. Yeah, I faded that 2 minute short because
it's a valid fade because you gotta go break even, but I just held.
I wouldn't have held there. Both pairs aren't correlated. Any slight movement where what ES is gonna do, like since we're just not the leading pair. Now this has this 2 minutes like hesitating to close. I don't know. I would want us to re-sweep and hit this 1 hour on NQ, and now we have a little bit better 1 minute structure.
Dude, whatever. Like, it's just so unfortunate because why did we edge?
I know, bro.
I understand ES hit my hourly draw, but come on.
No.
That's why you have to usually just either go break even or hit TP.
I don't really like this 2 minute. I do just because we're SMTing this 1 hour gap, but it's just high resistance. The age-old question, do you take or do you not take?
If it even closes through.
Literally, though.
I really hope it doesn't go to my TP after running my stop, though.
I'm going to wait. We're going to see. Let's see what 945 does. In my opinion, I really hope 945 pushes lower and resweep, hit the 1 hour, and we will have hit the 4 hour on both pairs.
Should just close. I should have went break even once at my 1 minute. We got a 1 minute like CIST to the downside.
I would have taken that and I would have said 2 minute inversion, stop loss at the top of this 1 minute like 1 minute fair value gap body. You know what I'm talking about?
That's where mine was.
And then just hopefully we flush out to a 1-to-1.
And there it goes. Edge the fucking entry.
And now we're gonna fucking rip.
What's this? And then we're gonna chop for the rest of the session.
Are you kidding me, bro? Yep, this gap.
It's totally railed me today.
This gap did not, brother.
Like, how do we not invert?
ES is about to hit the 15 minute finally.
Now ES hits the 15, so it's like, oh, now we're resweeping the 15 in this 15, and we inverse the 15. Never mind.
Oh,
Porting longs, bro. Fuck it.
That is true. That.
Wow. Wasn't even a 30-second entry. There's just no entries. All right. Well, I'll let you go do your thing.
For sure, big dog. All right, we are in this 2 minute. Hold on, let me set all this stuff real quick. Firm. I'm in this 2 minute on. Oh no, let's keep that. Let's go to here. I'm in Q. Hold on, let me just keep this in Q. I'll show you the trade after. Hold on, I'm not cooking. Keep this 15 minute up. Once we hit this, yep, gonna go break even now. Took the swing, confirm, and then open up M and Q now. This is my trade. Stop loss just above CE, this 2 minute wick. And then I'm break even now just because we did take this swing high. Or now we just took previous day high as well. So we can definitely break even. Hopefully we just flush out, targeting just a 1-to-1 with 3 contracts. So if this flushes out, would be great. I just think both these pairs are so uncorrelated. It could just stop me out just because ES is just so behind. And any minor movement that ES does. Actually, that wasn't even my entry. This was my entry. So, let me, Frank, holy shit, can you stop playing with the... That would be a 1-to-1. Right there's a 1-to-1. So, hopefully we flush out to it. I'm actually correctly risked now that I just noticed. I got a good fill on that. So, I took this 2 minute entry, stop loss just above CE, and hopefully we flush out to a 1-to-1. I don't know. This 15 minute wick, though, is beautiful. That is great. And then this 15 minute gap is already inversed on NQ. So price can still do whatever the hell it wants to do, but I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna go grab more water. Bro, I buy these. Come on, don't do it, man. Go up, man, please. Go up, man, please. Come on, I don't want to go break even. Break even's are not fun, bro. They're just not fun, man. But you have to. Let me remove this. Have to, though. You take the swing, take previous day high. Come on, just flush out to that 1-to-1, man. That's all I want, man. Give me that 1-to-1, man. Anyway, I buy these Kroger water jugs, and I'm not mad, but Kroger fills them to the brim. I'm going break even. Yep, there goes break even. All right, I went break even on this trade. Figured we would be honest with you just because it's like, whatever. Actually, no. I made $2, so we're up like Chuck. But both pairs are just so uncorrelated. We're probably just going to chop. Probably just going to range all day until FOMC. But not the worst entry in the world. Do not wick my break even and then go to my TP, bro. I swear. Don't like the way the ES is rejecting. Here's a 5-minute gap. This would be very annoying if it just wicks my stop loss and then goes to TP. Anyway, Kroger fills these to the brim. So every single time I open them, it just water goes everywhere. This one actually seems a little bit as full. Do not go everywhere. This one's a good one. But every single time I get one, it literally goes everywhere. I'm just going to wait a little bit and see if this was a good break even. But took the swing, took previous day high. Both pairs are just super uncorrelated. Ideally, I'd want ES in that or NQ in the 1 hour as well. And I went break even on this trade. I think I got a good fill on it, risked perfectly. It just didn't flush out to a 1-to-1. Didn't need to. We literally just took out previous day high, looks like, and now we're going to range maybe. I don't know. Again, FOMC is later, so I can't expect much. I think I played it pretty well. Took this 2-minute right here, and it's not too bad. I had enough conviction for us to take this swing to go break even. It's kind of like similar to yesterday's trade where I took it and I was at least confident enough to feel like, dude, there's probably a tits con on ES, bro. This con right here, even though you are respecting a 15-minute. But anyway, I had enough confidence that it would at least hit my break even spot, which it did. It even hit previous day high. Break even on the day. That's it for me. If you enjoy these in-depth videos, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. And I will see you in the next one. Do not trade FOMC. It's exactly the kind of price action that you get when you do trade FOMC. Luckily, I protected capital pretty well today and took a pretty risk-free trade in my opinion. Not risk-free, but I liked my entry. But anyway, hope y'all have a good one. Peace.